So what we've got here is the EPH A27-HW, so it's a 2-zone programmer, and I'm going to show you how to do the time and date. So the time at the moment is 4:20 and the date is the 19th of March. So we will flip down the lid. It's currently on run, so we flick that back over to clock set. The date starts flashing, so we press the plus or the minus to what we want. So with it being the 19th, we will go to 19. We then press OK. That moves it to the month. Plus or minus, so we want the 3rd March. Press OK. It's 2025, so we go to 2025. We can see now it is a Wednesday, so it's changed to Wednesday on the screen. Press OK. Now we're on the time, so we want 4 o'clock. Press OK, and then it's 21 minutes past now. Go all the way to 21. Press OK. That's nothing we need to mess with, and that's nothing we need to mess with, and we're back to the start. So when that's all done and you're happy with the time and date, we just move it back to run. Move it back to run, and it's back to normal operation.